Hello champions, welcome back to Math with Miss Tiwi. How are you today? I hope all of you is in good condition. So in this video lesson, we're going to learn about multiplication and division involving negative numbers. Negative integers, I mean. So in primary school, you have learned how to multiply positive numbers. For example, 2 times 3. It means two groups of 3. Which is equal to 6. So how about if 2 times negative 3 or negative 3 times 2? What is 2 times 3 equal to? It's easy equation. That's the product of 2 times 3 means two groups of 3. So there are two groups and each group has 3. That's equal to 6. Okay, 2 times 3 equals 6. What about 2 times negative 3 equal to? The product of 2 times negative 3 means two groups of negative 3. So there are two groups and each group contains negative 3. 2 times negative 3 and it's equal to negative 6. Okay. What is negative 3 times negative 2 equal to? Okay, how about negative 3 times negative 2? We have interpreted that negative 3 times negative 2 as negative and then bracket times a bracket 3 times negative 2. Okay, so you need to solve 3 times negative 2 first. It's equal negative 6 and then negative again, it becomes positive. Okay, it means that negative of 3 groups of 2. Okay, there are 3 groups. Okay, there are 2 negative 2. And remember that it means the negative, so this is the negative, 3 groups of negative 2. 3 groups, 1, 2, 3 of 2. Okay, negative 3 times negative 2. Then you need to flip it and it become positive. Okay, so it's equal to 6. So negative 3 times negative 2, it equals to 6. Multiplication involving negative integers. There are some concept that positive number times positive number, it equals to positive number. Positive number times negative number equals negative number. Negative number times positive number equals negative number. And negative number times negative number equals to positive number. Okay, it seems like division, that if you divide positive number by positive number, it equals to positive number. And then positive number divided by negative number, it equals to negative number. Negative number divided by positive number, it equals to negative number. And negative number divided by negative number, it equals to positive number. Okay, next, factor revisited. Okay, in chapter 1, we have learned about the positive factors of non-zero whole number. Okay, so in this chapter, we have learned that the numbers can also be negative. Therefore, positive and negative integer can have either positive or negative factor as well. For example, the positive and negative factors of 4, there are 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 4, and negative 4. For example, 1 times 4, it equals to 4. Negative 1 times negative 4, it equals to 4 also. 2 times 2 equals 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals to 4 also. Okay. And then we use this notation and is used to represent positive or negative in a concise manner. So we can write as, you can look at the yellow box. Okay. Next example, how about the positive and negative factors of 6? There are 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 3, negative 3, 6, and negative 6. And then you can write as this. Okay. Next, about square roots and cube roots, revisited. Okay. In chapter 1, we have learned that 5 square is equal to 5 times 5, that equals to 25. So the square root of 25 is equal to 5. And now, what if get square of negative 5 or negative 5 square? Okay, or negative 5 times negative 5. 5 times 5 equals 25, and also negative 5 times negative 5 is equal to 25. Then 25 has two square roots. Okay, the positive square root of 25 is equal to 5, and the negative square root of 25 is equal to negative 5. And then you can write as this. Okay. Next, about what is negative 5 cube, or negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 equal to? Okay, negative 5 cube, it's equal to negative 125. Okay. Unlike square roots, a number has only one cube root, and it is possible to obtain the cube root of a negative. Okay, so it's not like square roots that a number has only one cube root, and it is possible to obtain the cube root of a negative. Okay, so cube root of 125, you can write as cube root of 5 times 5 times 5, and it equals to 5. And cube root of negative 125, you can write it as cube root of negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, and it equals to negative 5. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave your comment. And God bless you. See you on the next video.